name is Cassandra, and I'm the founder of Beauty Bloom Salon, a modern all-in-one beauty studio where confidence and creativity come together. At Beauty Bloom, we specialize in luxury lash extensions, detailed nail artistry, professional spa services, and customized hair care, all designed to give every client a full self-care experience in one place. My vision is to build a salon that's not only beautiful but also innovative, affectionate, and rooted in quality. To make this happen, I'm investing approximately $85,000 into high-end equipment, top-tier products, training and designing and welcoming environment that reflects the Beauty Bloom standard. Beauty Bloom Salon isn't just a beauty service. It's a brand built on skill, passion, and the belief that everyone deserves to feel their best. I'm excited to grow this vision and bring something fresh, professional, and unforgettable to the beauty industry.